Yummy time. Hi, it's fall. It is yum. How y'all doing today in YouTube land? You tried it. So look, guys, today is Friday. It's still Lent season. But we decided because of the coronavirus and a lot of fish fries are canceled here where we're at, we decided to give you other options that you can use to replace fish. You can fry your own fish, you know, Go purchase you some fish, make your own fish like we did. Oh, fish. And guess what? This time, we got hot sauce. Right, because I don't know what we were thinking the last time. We didn't eat fish without hot sauce.
That's probably why Jack wasn't so good to us.
Jack was still going to be nasty. Jack was still going to be nasty. We were going to bring Jack back up. Jack left. So one of the things that you can do, you can buy vegetarian egg rolls. I went to Target and picked up a couple things. And
I went to Schnucks and picked up a few things also. So before we get any further, just to give you guys some precautions if you didn't know,
some of the things that we were able to purchase were
I got creamy cauliflower and mac and cheese. Also with what is this? Healthy Choice unwrapped burrito bowl. And I forgot to tell you, this is by Performance Kitchen. And then last but not least, we have this called Love, but it's actually spelled backwards, but it's called Butternut Squash and Sage Ravioli.
Excuse me. When you said last but not least, we still got 3 items.
I mean on my side. Like, last but not least on this side.
Okay. All right. So, on my side, we have the Asian Dumpling Bowl by Amy. Don't even know who she is, but hey, Amy. And we also have
Aloha. Barbecue cake. Quit. Stop.
Hold on. Ooh, what was it? Aloha. Aloha.
Barbecue quesadillas.
Barbecue quesadillas. Which you notice. You know, I ain't had that before. Ooh, wee. And we also now, these are actually like Chong vegetable egg rolls. Now, these are really good. This is like a real good brand. Some egg roll brands are just nasty. They're just nasty.
So,
yeah, and when you bake these on 400 and actually follow the directions, they're nice and crispy and good. So the first thing we're going to do is, since you want an egg roll,
yeah, let me get a couple of those on my plate.
She hungry, guys. She is so hungry. Like, this is really going to be good to her. Good. That's how she about to be. Cut it. Oh, yeah. Oh, they can see it. You want to... Here now. If you want to put this stuff on here. Ooh. Okay. And this is the Ahola Ho-Ho. With a box.
Aloha.
Alolo.
Alulu. You want some of this rice here?
And which one is that one?
This is the burrito bowl rice.
Okay. Babe, you putting a lot on there. I don't know.
It's not even a lot.
Okay.
That's a few bites for me.
Okay. And the dumplings. Amy's Asian dumplings. It has broccoli inside. It has this. Oh shucks! You know what? Why are we using a spoon to serve? Y'all know. Oh shucks!
Which one is this one? The butternut squash stage?
No,
what
they do have the
taste
butternut
like.
squash
Yeah.
sage.
I wonder how that's going to taste. Let me get you some of that too.
Here.
This looks good.
Yes, it does.
It's a little dry, you know. When stuff dry, it don't do right for me. Okay. I'm sorry. Let me get a piece of this. Is that tofu?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, neat.
Really? It says it in the box.
No.
Okay. So, and we got some tea.
Nice full plates. I'm ready to eat. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm hungry. So today, if you don't really see me doing a lot of talking, you're going to see a lot of facial expressions. Because if it's nasty, you're going to know. I'll take a few pieces of this.
So the first thing that I'm going to take a bite of, that I am actually anxious to try, is the Asian dumplings. Lord bless this food in Jesus' name, amen.
I mean, girl, why are you trying to be cute?
I'm not trying to be cute. Okay. This is the brand is Amy's. It's made with organic vegetables, noodles, and tofu. Pretty good. What you think?
Mm-hmm.
Has broccoli in it. Pretty good. Girl, what's this?
That's fire.
That's not bad.
It actually has a real Asian taste, like a real the flavor of it.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like and one of my favorites is lo mein. It kind of tastes like a lo mein.
Yeah, the noodles aren't soggy.
Mm-hmm.
Either that
At
or
first
we
it was
hungry.
just a little dry. When I first put it on my plate, but it's good now.
Yes. Mm. So you know what? I'm gonna be honest with you. This has been a long, exhausting week, especially with all the breaking news and different things going on as far as like the coronavirus, the school closings. People don't know if they're gonna still have a job or they're gonna lock us down. I'm just a little scared. No, I'm not really. I'm not gonna say I'm scared because God hasn't given us a spirit of fear. Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna say I'm just like how suddenly all of this just happened like suddenly, you know? So
I'm a conspiracy theorist, so I just think they lying.
that might be.
I think what I'm gonna taste next, I really am looking at this here.
Just hungry. Go ahead, man.
And you know they got some little cute sauces that come in with the little egg rolls. I thought that was cute. Did you want to taste some of the sauce also?
I already know what it tastes like.
With the sweet and sour?
But these are very, you can bake these. They're very crispy. They're very good. They really are. And if you're, you don't eat meat or you need a snack throughout the day during Lent, here you go. Even without Lent, here you go. Bake it. Don't fry it. You like it? It's good, ain't it? I told you.
This is the best store-bought Any roll I've ever had.
And remember, it's this brand right here. I promise you.
It really is good. It is nice and crispy. Since you bake these in the oven.
You just hear me tell them I baked it in the oven. Make sure you bake it in the oven on 400.
Yeah, please do. This is good. It's nice and this flaky crust. I love stuff like that. And you know, I always take it and put it in the fryer and fry them. And that's so fattening. And this is not.
Yeah, girl. Mm-hmm.
Y'all gotta try this. I can't make this up.
Today I went to the store and there was no toilet tissue. No paper towels. This is the unwrapped burrito bowl. Fall picked this out. It's by Healthy Choice. It's by Healthy Choice. And I'm going to taste it so I can see how it tastes. It actually looks good. See if I can bring it up here so you guys can actually see it. What's so funny?
So y'all, when I went to Schnucks today, and I'm not trying to be funny, you know, I got all my little stuff, and I got some extra stuff in. And there was this lady in the line, and she started, like, first of all, she started bending over at the counter. And so at first we were like, well, what's wrong? So then she was like, she can't breathe for real.
How old was she?
She was an older lady.
Oh.
And it was really sad, but in times like these, people usually will run away because of the, you know, the corona or whatever's going on or any sickness. But instead, everybody got together and they helped her. She was falling. In my head, I was thinking shooting. People are treating you like a little disease.
Girl, you silly.
They helped it up. They gathered up.
But the question is, did you assist?
In my mind, I was like, oh, I really want to help, and she had plenty. And so, so then it was like, let me keep walking because she might have breathed on something nice.
But Beth, you can't really, that's not nice. What if she didn't have the coronavirus? She was just struggling. Forgive me, and Jesus. I don't really try to. I should not be laughing.
I don't know if she was struggling or not. I just wish she had plenty of help. She didn't need when I'm gonna go, you know.
Mm-hmm. But seriously, I don't want you guys to get your spirits down and get all depressed. And can you pass me the hot sauce and feeling, you know, don't stay positive, you know. Don't let it's good to be prepared. It's good to, you know, but don't overdo it. But this burrito bowl wrap is pretty good.
I'm gonna try that next.
That is serious.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. It's a little spicy, got a little kick to it. Which is not bad.
But I wasn't trying to make fun of that lady, seriously.
It was just the way that you were explaining it. Black beans and corn and rice. I think it's delish. And if you don't like it, you don't like it.
It's like it's one of those, if you hungry, you gonna eat it from me.
But you're the one that picked it out.
And they could have kept that one.
Well, these are
unfortunately
frozen foods, so it's not like, you know. But these are just some different options in case you don't want to go out to eat, you know. In case you don't want to go to any fish restaurants or restaurants, period. Or you know, you want
You spend $7 to $8 on lunch a day.
Yeah.
Well, you can eat one of these right here for half
Dinner.
the price.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
These were no more than like $4 a piece. Not bad.
Mm-hmm.
This butternut squash is really good.
It really is.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that sage really brings out a flavor in that butternut squash.
Mm-hmm. It does.
It's got a sweet taste to it.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. What is this? Got a roasted garlic sauce and roasted tomatoes. Maybe that's why it has that sweet taste. This one's vegetarian and it has 12 proteins in it. That's good.
Good, you think you're doing it.
You know what? I'm just gonna move right along to these dry macaroni.
So let's get the box so we can show them that.
Not bad. Creamy cauliflower mac and cheese.
You said this was good. It ain't nasty. It's this ain't even a nice nasty. I don't know what this is. But guess what? It's survivable. Well, yeah. Was that a word, survivable?
Survivable.
Did I just make that up?
Oh, yeah, you made that one. Survivable.
So,
It's alright.
so you can give your fun fact.
Fun fact about me is when nobody else is looking and when I'm by myself, I do stand-up comedy. What I do?
But what kind of fun fact is that?
It is.
You could have went on in your own direction. I said I like to laugh. And then you want to say you do stand-up comedy. You could have been like,
I thought you had already given a fun fact.
no, I didn't. That was my little fun fact. You could have said something like, I rap when ain't nobody looking.
And I do.
Freestyle. Go ahead and freestyle for me.
1, 2, 3 into the 4.
That ain't freestyle, no. That's Snoop.
I was gonna make it up. Some more words.
Well, you should have been like, uno, dos, something.
That's what I was gonna do.
Y'all, here's the fish.
What daddy mama used to call it?
We put our business out. My fish good. Ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Jack ain't got nothing on this right here.
What type of stuff you put on there? The cornmeal?
Do I need to tell them my business? Or what I put on my fish?
I was just talking about the base.
Oh.
This is a synergy tea. It's organic. I think this kind is gingerberry. And it's called organic I don't know if it's kombucha, kombaku, umbaku.
Kombucha. Kabuka.
This is umbaku.
It's actually not that bad.
Is it sweet?
It's a nice nasty taste.
Oh, wow. I kind of like that. It's refreshing.
Okay, where's the other box?
Go ahead.
But no, I don't.
The next one is Aloha.
Aloha barbecue quesadilla.
I've already eaten that.
I haven't. Let's see how it tastes. This has baked beans in it. And what else? What's the substitution for the meat?
Pineapple, jalapenos, pinto beans, and barbecue savory grounds. But I don't even know what that is.
It's like crumbles.
Oh, okay. I don't know what those are made of, though. Is it made of the pinto bean?
Yeah. Ooh. So guys, the vegan food that we had tonight was pretty good. We're going to give it a 7.
7.
But we're going to give these a 10. These were pretty good. And that's about it on that.
Before we leave, we just would like to ask you guys to like and subscribe to our channel. For those who did last week, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Last but not least, we know that the coronavirus is out there. It's a grounded
it is.
disease. So here's some things to help to clean up those germs. Clorox, Lysol. You can use these on doorknobs. You can use these on surfaces.
And if you run out of those items, we have peroxide. We have alcohol. And let's not forget the washing of the hands, which is very important.
Yes.
And let's not forget to stock up on our water bottles, just in case the water becomes contaminated.
Yep. So last but not least,
Another fun fact about me and Fall is we sing. And we're going to leave you with a quick song. And hopefully we'll see you guys next week on Yummy Time.
Yep.
And be blessed. You did not create me to worry. You did not create me to fear. You created me to worship daily. So I'm gonna lay it all right here. Help me say yes.
You did not create me to worry.
Oh.
You did not create me to fear.
You created me.
You created me to worship daily.
So
I'm laying it all right here. Help me say yes.
You did not create me to worry.
Oh.
You did not create me to fear. But you created me to worship daily. So I'm gonna leave it all